In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a TikTok link to your Instagram story. This is really simple, but I'm going to show you how you can do it anyway. If you do enjoy this video, if it does help you out, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe. So what you've got to do is you've got to go to TikTok, obviously, and you need to go to Me in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're there, you'll see your TikTok profile, and here you can click on the three lines, or the three dots, sorry, in the top right hand corner. Then go to Share Profile, and then you need to click on Copy Link. So you should see the copy link icon, which is blue. Copy that, and then we can head over to Instagram. Now I'm not going to put it on my main Instagram. I'm going to put it on a random one that I used for a video. Now here's where how many followers you have actually matters. If you have 10,000 followers or over, you're going to get the swipe up feature on your story. Now if you don't have that amount, like I don't here, and I'm assuming that a lot of you that are watching this don't have that feature, you can do this a different way. You can't exactly put a swipe up link on your story, but you can do it a different way, which is going to work just as well. So if you go to Edit Profile, you can then go to Website and you can paste in your TikTok link. So there's our TikTok link. And we can also write something above that. So the last line of our bio here is going to be pointing to that link. So you could put link to TikTok, and then you could even put a downwards arrow. You'd have to find one in the emojis. I'm not going to go through all of the emojis, but there is a downwards arrow that you can use. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get the downwards arrow pointing to your link. What you can also do is you can go to your stories and you can just take a photo with a black background. Or you could even upload a screenshot of your TikTok profile, and then you can just type TikTok link in bio. Obviously you would make it look good, you put different GIFs in it and everything. And then you can add that to your story. Now once you've got that graphic on your story, you can then go back onto your profile, you can go onto your story. Then you can click highlight and you can put that story as a highlight on your profile. Then you can click add, and now that's been added. Now you can see you've got your TikTok link or your TikTok story on your profile, and then when people click that, they can then go to the link in your bio and they can then see your TikTok profile. So that's the best way you can do it if you have under 10,000 followers. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.